Old Ones. They were creators of worlds, masters of the stars. And then they were gone. No wars, no cry of doom, only silence and the shadows of their works. Some say their great gates faltered, that through them seeped the raw chaos of uncreation. Others believe they foreknew the end and fled before it fell. Only their servants remained, lost, confused, forever waiting. When the gates collapsed, the heavens screamed. Flame and madness tore the sky asunder. From the rents came the first whispers of chaos, and the world was forever changed. Their creations, the first civilizations, were left adrift. The keepers of order turned to war and sorcery to survive. In the absence of the divine, mortals inherited their burden and their folly. Some claim they ascended beyond mortal realms. Others say they were devoured by their own creation. Perhaps they sleep, waiting for the stars to align once more. Even now, their machines still hum in the dark places of the world. So remember this, mortal wanderer. The Old Ones did not die. They merely left, and in their wake, they left the seeds of our destiny. But if they ever return, will they find a world worth saving, or one to erase anew? All these questions and many more will be answered in The Tales of the Old World. Subscribe and click the notifications button. And I shall see you in the next tale.